Hi guys, today I will introduce you a new design of office furniture, cloud sofa. A variety of macaron color combinations are very attractive and interesting. And the modular sofa is suitable for all office spaces and create different leisure areas. Low back sofas. This is a low back sofa with tea table and high back screen sofas. Flexible collocation to form a comfortable and casual reception areas or work rest areas. The combination of the high back screen sofas and the bar is more convenient for receiving customers to check and work. Follow me to show you more interesting new designs office furniture. Or contact us directly to give you a preferential price. See you next time!